All right, another update here. I got done with this deck, all the rehab of this, and now I started to pull this up. And you can't believe it, back in 6, I built this and laid the Doug fir right on the ground 17 years ago and then decked over it. And some of them are rotten now. This end was why I took it off the step, and this was a little soft. So anyway, it got some rot over there where the other step was, but I'm taking this up, gonna put some slats down or some stringers and then deck over it with the same boards. Just want it to last a couple more years till I can pour it with concrete. But right now, this little section is my last rehab, and then I'm gonna start pressure washing, staining that. My wife wants me to finish this side as well. And this panel's been sitting here, well, this job's been sitting here since 8, unfinished. And this is one of our panels. This I took a little piece out of it right here to make that upper waterfall rock. But anyway, I was gonna show you the thinness of our castings. I mean, this is like 1/4 inch right here. The panel in general is about 3/8 of an inch. You can see all the way through. Up here, a little fatter, maybe even a 1/2 inch, but this is typical of what we cast. You know, it's real thin, strong casting material, and we're gonna show you some more of that. But rehabbing this, getting it up, and then I'll be staining, rehabbing and staining this, and you're gonna see that on video. And then this limestone wall, I shot this video of me doing this back in 8. I never edited it. I think I'm gonna edit that and put it up for you guys to show you how we did that. But this limestone panel system came from a job we did at Fort Hood, Texas. We did like 27 gates there with a non-lethal arresting system we had to cover. This is where the pistons were of this non-lethal arresting system. At any rate, this is 3.5 foot tall, 3 foot wide, 15 foot long, and it's a one monolithic casting that's 3/8 of an inch thick. And it's something that I stuck up here. I didn't know what I was going to do with it. The end isn't finished because this hooks to the bigger box, but this is all thin. You really can't tell because the guy's got a little thicker here, but this comes down on me instead of being the same thickness that it is. But this is a box that's set up here since 2004 and is in real good shape. I was thinking about when I stain this other wall, I come over here and pressure wash this, hydro seal it, and then stain this for you guys. My wife shot a raccoon with this box. I remember sitting on the deck over there, and she blew a hole through it, and it's got to be repaired. But right now, guys, we're gonna get this deck finished, and then we'll start on the staining on the limestone boxes, or the wall in the box, and then this waterfall rehab, and then that should be it. Oh, the whale's tail. I meant to say this in the last video. I walked by it, didn't even say anything. This I built back in 2014. It's the original one that I made, and I sealed it with 100% acrylic sealer, but it's lost its sheen. It's been, what, damn near 10 years, and that stuff only lasts about 5. I'm gonna re-polish it, re-stain it, and then seal it with a polyaspartic sealer, which is a lot more durable. But it used to sit, when I first made it, right about here. And when I did this rehab, this was rotten where it was sitting, and I stole some of those deck boards from the other side and renewed it. And now, for the last couple of years after that was rotten, I put it here, and this is still good. I would have replaced if it was rotten, but when I seal it, it won't rot anymore sitting underneath there. But I'm gonna get this thing done and show you guys the video once it's being done, and you can see how we stain rock and stone. Talk to you later. Bye.